Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to show you how I make these cute little birds. They're gonna be in this leaf and it will eventually be a candle holder. I start with a basic shape as I was showing, and this applies to just about anything that I make, like frogs or birds or any critters. And you can start by looking at a photograph to really study the different angles of the bird or whatever you're making. And then you can just start shaping. I look at, I Google, like for this one, I looked at a chickadee bird, and I looked at so many, like some that were in a bird bath, and they're flapping their wings. So that's why I created the wings kind of separately, kind of up in the air a little bit. So it's not like right on the body, because this is a miniature bird bath, and I make things on a smaller scale first before I make a larger ones, and so I can test also glazes. But rather than being just a tester, I decided to make something useful out of it. So this would be the candle holder, like I said before. So basically that's what I do, and I'm just showing you here the step-by-step how I shape it. But the main thing is studying at different pictures or videos of whatever you're making. Another thing that I do also is whenever I make anything a little bigger than this, like I make my larger birds and stuff or frogs, I do hollow. So I make something solid, like these will be solid because they're pretty small. But anything larger than that, what I do is I start as a solid piece like you see. So I either split it in half and carve out both sides and then put it back together again by scoring and putting slip, or I just hollow the bottom part. So for example, on this one, since it's a bird and it's going to be attached, the bottom part's going to be attached to the leaf, I could just hollow out the bottom part of the bird and then just put another thin piece, almost like similar to the wings like I'm showing here, and just cover the hole. But the bird or whatever it is that I'm making would be hollow inside. And that takes a lot of the weight, but not only that, it makes it drying so much more even with the piece that you're making, because everything should dry about the same time. This one probably won't matter that much because it is small. But with anything bigger, like I said, I do like to hollow it out, remove some of that clay so it doesn't take as long to dry and it won't be so heavy. So hopefully I'll be able to make another video soon of a larger bird that I will be sculpting, and like a cockatiel that I'll be making, and that should be a lot of fun. So I'll try to make a video, and that was it. This was a cute little project. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.